Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I wanted to do a little grungy kind of green vibe with the Blend Bunny Cosmetics, the Dollhouse palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I did have a suggestion for the more green row in the Dollhouse palette. So that's what I wanted to do today. I was looking at this and I was like, I want to do something kind of heavy green. So I was like, okay, Madam and Figure and Chantilly, I felt like were perfect. So I was like, let me do just like a little soft glam. I really kind of want to add gems, but I've been doing gems so much that I'm just kind of like, do I want to do that? So I might just skip out on those for now, but then I put on little baby wings. Like I don't want to put on half lashes, but now I'm talking too much, so let's jump into it. I'm going to take my Drawer Cosmetics Clean Canvas and Fair to prime my lid real quick. Alright, so to start out, I'm just going to take this Elf and J Kiss a J5 brush, and I'm going to go into Madame. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of find that inner corner of my lid, like the tear duct area, and just slightly extend it and then bring it upwards. And I like to, whenever I really am just down and I want to play with makeup and use that as like my way to not think about things, I like to use it and like display my emotions or my feelings and stuff. I feel like it's a good way to do that for me anyway. So now I'm just going to take that shade and I'm going to kind of focus it towards the inner corner and get it built up a little bit, and I am going to bring it up and over just a little bit more, but for right now I just want to lay this down, kind of get my shape built up. It's about like that. I feel like that's pretty good. This is such a beautiful shade. It kind of like, it's almost like a super dark brown green, and it's a vibe. Aside from the purples, I'm really excited to see which ones I hit pan on first. So now I'm just gonna have a little bit more, just a little bit. I'm trying to stay as precise and as clean as possible right up here. And I'm going to take just a little bit more and do a little baby wing. Start one anyway. Just like that. We're looking a little wild, but that's okay. Now I'm going to take my Elena Badreau brush and go into Figure. Actually, I just hit a shade in the palette with the brush, so I had to clean it off real quick. But I'm gonna take Figure, and what I'm gonna do is just blend it with Madame, and just kind of stamp it. And they blend themselves. Like, that is the most amazing thing in the world to me. Like, you can do a soft glam? What? Like, that fast? Because usually it takes me quite a while to do a more softer glam look, because I'm like, okay, you really have to take your time with it. Make sure you're not doing too much, which we all know I do too much. But these just blend effortlessly. And I'm gonna swipe it. Well, I'm patting for lack of better words, but all over the lid, about like that, and just continue to build it up and blend the two, and then little baby back and forth windshield wiper motions right here. Now I'm gonna take my Visanti small eye contour brush. Is that what it is? Contour eyeshadow brush, but it's tiny. And I'm gonna go into Display just a little bit, tap off the excess, and tiny little baby windshield wiper motions all through the crease, and then kind of bring it out just a little bit. I don't know why I did this earlier, but I did it on the other eye, so I'm going to do it on this one. About like that. Now I'm gonna go in real quick and touch up Madam and just bring it back a little bit and then gently focus it on the inner corner of the eye. Like that. And I am gonna touch up the wing and do a little bit of blending here. So I'm really gonna make sure that I'm focusing this on that outer corner of my eye so that it's nice and precise and colorful. And I'm gonna take a little bit more figure to just kind of pat it. And just use this to kind of like do a little baby blend right on top of our darkest shade here. And I'm just gonna continue to get that nice and little bit of a gradient blend. I'm sorry my voice is sounding funny. I don't know what's going on with my allergies lately. Like, I've literally sat at home and it's been warm and then it's been cold, and that always affects my allergies. It's like as soon as I get over it, the weather changes again and then dramatically changes again. So I'm just like, eh. I'm gonna take a little bit of porcelain on this BH Cosmetics #2 brush and just give this a nice little blend. So I'm going to just focus it on that outer bit right here to make it more seamless. But then I'm also gonna blend towards the inner corner of my eye and bring it up towards the brow bone a little bit, just so it's a little bit more highlighted, because I'm not going to use an inner corner highlight. I'm just going to use my finger and go into that beautiful green shimmer shade, and what I'm going to do, okay, hold on, oh, look at it, look, I want to like wear this on my face. But for right now, what I'm going to do is just pop it on right here in the center of the lid, kind of blend it over, just patting it. If it gets up a little bit, that's okay. And then I'm just going to go in with that same brush, that Elena Badreau brush, and the shade Figure to just kind of blend that with the shimmer, if that makes sense. Just to kind of make it more gradient and seamless. Alright, I'm going to clean that brush off and take a little bit more of Figure and just kind of blend out Madam a little bit more. Bring this up a little bit. And then I'm going to switch on over to that BH Cosmetics #2 brush and go back into porcelain. And just kind of do like a little baby pats and windshield wiper motions here for a nice little seamless blend. And touch up Madam real quick. And blend them together. Oh. And I'm going to take a little bit of Figure and just run it on over. Back and forth. Make it a little smoky. Alright. I'm just going to clean that up and pop on a wing. And I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I don't really want to talk about my hair, like low-key. I feel like what would be my bangs is kind of cute, but the rest is just a hot mess. I don't know how to do anything with my hair, so this is just what we have to work with. Alright, let me know what you'd like to see next down below, and if you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I'll have all my social medias linked down below in the description box, just in case you would like to see me, like, what other looks did I post, like, pretty much every day, all that good stuff. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me, and I appreciate you so much. And I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't know what. Everything was going smoothly until I was just like, oh, I forgot. Anyway, let me know what you'd like to see next down below. Don't forget to use hashtag slightlyunblended for your chance to be featured in an upcoming video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!